Hi, baby. Good morning. Ivan, Sparkies. Sparky with the big eyes. Who's back here? It's Riley and Milo. Hey, guys. Easy. Hi, Skyven. Hi, Skyven. Skyven, what's the matter? He's camera shy. Hi, Riley. Hi, Blaine. Hi, Blaine. He's my buddy. Look at him. These beautiful birds, huh? Baby. No, Dada loves you. What's going on back here? You fighting? You fighting? I'd say about fighting, no. You see? Hey! Come here. Watch out. Niven, move. Come on. Move. Baby's in distress. Come on. Come on. I got you. There. You alright? You okay?